the ultimate destination for exploring the most luxurious and breathtaking homes across the United States. Today, we are excited to take you inside one of the most exceptional properties you will ever see. This home represents the pinnacle of elegance, design, and lifestyle, blending classic architecture with modern luxury to create an extraordinary living experience that very few residences can match. From the moment you approach this estate, you are greeted with a sense of grandeur and sophistication. The driveway is framed by lush landscaping, perfectly manicured gardens, and mature trees, leading to a striking entrance that sets the tone for what lies beyond. Every exterior detail has been meticulously crafted to offer both style and privacy, making it a sanctuary for those who appreciate the finer things in life. As you step inside, the living spaces immediately impress with their scale, design, and attention to detail. Expansive ceilings, elegant flooring, and custom finishes throughout the home create a feeling of openness and refinement. The living room is designed for both comfort and grandeur, offering plenty of space for entertaining while providing unobstructed views of the surrounding property. Large windows and sliding doors bring in natural light during the day, while exterior lighting ensures the home glows with warmth and sophistication at night. The integration of indoor and outdoor spaces is seamless, making it easy to enjoy the beautifully landscaped grounds and any water features or pools the property may include. The kitchen is a showpiece in its own right, outfitted with state-of-the-art appliances, a spacious island, and custom cabinetry that combines functionality with elegance. Whether you are preparing a casual meal or hosting a large dinner party, this kitchen provides all the tools needed for a modern culinary experience. Adjacent dining areas are thoughtfully positioned to take advantage of the property's views and create an inviting atmosphere for both family meals and entertaining guests. This luxury home features multiple bedrooms, each designed as a private retreat. The master suite is a true sanctuary with expansive space, natural light, and premium finishes. It includes a spa-like master bath with high-end fixtures, a soaking tub, and a walk-in shower designed to provide relaxation and comfort. Additional bedrooms are equally well appointed, featuring ensuite bathrooms, generous closet space, and elegant decor that balances luxury and livability. The design ensures every member of the household enjoys privacy and comfort while maintaining harmony with the overall aesthetic of the home. Bathrooms throughout the property maintain a consistent level of sophistication, combining modern amenities with timeless style. They feature premium materials, spacious layouts, and designer fixtures that elevate the daily experience. Guests and family members alike are treated to a sense of luxury and refinement, whether stepping into a main bathroom or a private ensuite. For leisure and entertainment, this home does not disappoint. Dedicated spaces include home theaters, gyms, wellness areas, and game rooms that provide endless opportunities for relaxation and recreation. Some homes may also feature wine cellars, libraries, or study areas that combine practicality with elegance. Outdoor amenities often include swimming pools, patios, terraces, and private gardens, providing multiple areas to enjoy the outdoors in comfort and style. Tennis courts, putting greens, or access to nearby recreational facilities add another level of luxury to the property. Architectural details are both impressive and thoughtful, blending modern design with classic touches that create a timeless aesthetic. Staircases, lighting, and flooring are all selected to complement the overall design while offering functionality and style. Every corner of the property is considered, from entrances to hallways, ensuring that the luxury experience extends throughout the home. Historically significant elements or custom craftsmanship often add a sense of legacy and exclusivity. Many of these properties have been designed or rebuilt with input from master architects and builders, resulting in homes that are both visually stunning and structurally impeccable. The combination of quality construction, attention to detail, and premium materials ensures that these homes are not only beautiful but also built to last for generations. Security and privacy are also paramount in homes of this caliber. Gated entrances, security systems, and thoughtful landscaping create a safe and private environment, allowing residents to fully enjoy their surroundings without compromise. Whether you are relaxing indoors, entertaining outdoors, or simply enjoying the views, you can be confident that privacy and safety are built into every aspect of the estate. The overall lifestyle offered by a luxury home of this level is unparalleled. It provides comfort, convenience, and a sense of achievement for those who reside there. From the impressive design and amenities to the meticulous attention to detail in every space, these homes define modern luxury living in the United States. Every visit, every moment spent on the property, offers an experience that combines elegance, functionality, and unparalleled beauty. American Dream Mansions is dedicated to bringing you these extraordinary homes, highlighting their features, reviews, and specifications for our viewers who appreciate luxury, quality, and exclusivity. Whether you are a homeowner, an enthusiast, or simply enjoy seeing the best that the real estate world has to offer, this channel provides an inside look at the finest properties in America. Thank you for joining us on this tour of one of America's most luxurious homes. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more incredible property tours and insights into the world of high-end real estate.